Students, let's continue chapter number 9, surface area and volume. In the last class we had studied about the cuboid and its formulas and the problems related to cuboid. Today let's go to second one, that is cube. So this is the picture of cube and you have only one measure, that is length. So total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. This is your first equation which you have to by heart, and next you have area of vertical surfaces of a cube is equal to 4L square. Then third equation you have to study is volume of a cube is equal to L cube. These are the three equations which you have to study in the cube. Go to question answers related to cube. We have practice set 9.1. Question number 1 and question number 2 was related to cuboid, which we have already solved in the last class. Now let's go to question number 3. We have the question, side of a cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. We have length of a cube L is equal to 4.5 centimeter. We have to find first surface area of vertical faces of cube and second total surface area of a cube. We have equations. Surface area of vertical faces of cube is equal to 4L square, which is equal to 4 multiplied by, here L is 4.5, therefore L square is 4.5 square. 4 into 4.5 square is 20.25. Therefore next step, 4 into 20.25 is equal to 81 and the unit square centimeter. Next we have total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. That is 6 into L square is 4.5 square, which is equal to 6 into 20.25, which is equal to 121.5 square centimeter. Let's go to question number 4. I'll read out the question. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube. Here again somewhat twisted type of question. They have given total surface area of a cube as 5400 square centimeter. From this we have to find the surface area of vertical faces of cube. First what we will do is we will write the formula of total surface area of cube, which is equal to 6L square. Now we know total surface area is already given as 5400, so instead of that we will write 5400 is equal to 6L square. Now here 6 is multiplied, it will go this side and become divide. So 5400 divided by 6 is equal to L square. So 5400 upon 6 is equal to 900. That is 6 9s are 54. Therefore 900 is equal to L square. Now what will happen? We know if we are taking square root, L we will get as 30. But here no need of taking square root. We just need L square equal to 900. Next we will take surface area of vertical faces of cube, which is equal to 4L square equation, which is equal to 4 multiplied by L square is 900. So 900, 4 into 900 is 3600 square centimeter. Let's go to question number 6. Again question number 5 we have already solved in the last class. Question number 6 is very easy. The question is, what will be the volume of a cube having length of edge 7.5 centimeter. So here you have a cube and length of cube L is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Question is, we have to find the volume of that cube. So we know volume of cube formula is L cube, which is equal to L is 7.5, therefore L cube is 7.5 whole cube. 7.5 cube means 7.5 multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by 7.5. You have to multiply 7.5 3 times, which is equal to 421.88 cubic centimeter. Here always you have to keep in mind units are different for area and volume. For area it is square centimeter, but whereas for volume it is cubic centimeter. So this is the answer.